So mongoose, here we need to write some code to connect database. Mongoose.connect. Here will be connection string will be go, and function callback it is. If we get error, otherwise it's connected. If we get any error, then we can log our information in our console window. It will throw error. Else we will show the database is connected in our console window, so that we can verify, okay, this app is running smoothly connected to the database. So let's create a database. Let's create new link and select Amazon free sandbox, continue, select US East, continue, give a database name Pinterest, continue, submit the order. Database created. This is our database. We need to create a user to access this database. Click users. Okay, add database user. A model window will pop up, and here username will give root and password 123456. Let's write again 123456, create. So this user already created. This user can access this database with this password. Scroll up, copy this string path of connection string of MongoDB and place it here. Here we need to write our user, root, and password is 123456. That's it. It will automatically connect the database using mongoose space app.listen. Here we will write some code to open a server. Here we are specifying 8090. This is the port number, and this is the callback function. Let's copy few code from this mongoose if error and if else condition, and copy and paste it here. So if error, will show an error message, and if connected, that means server running in port 8019. Okay, we can test. Let's run the server node server 2. So here you can see connected to port, so and connected to DB. So database already connected. Let's specify a route so that we can see something in the browser. App.get, get request, and slash. So it's initial callback function, request, response, next. Here we need to display some message, response.json, and any string you can hello. So let's Control C to stop this server, and let's install nodemon. Nodemon is a package. It will help us to restart our server automatically, so that we can no need to stop manually and start the server again. So this nodemon very useful. So npm install nodemon-g, it will install the nodemon globally. It will take few time to install. Let's run this server, nodemon server. Click enter. So 8090 port is open to use and database already connected. Let's see in the browser. 8090 localhost 8090. Let's write localhost and give the port 8090. So here is the JSON message what we write in our code. Let's write few middleware code so that we can work with our application smoothly. First of all, need to use app.use file upload. This will help to upload the file app.use. Here we need to specify express. We need this express. Here we are specifying express.static. So directory name plus a folder / public. It will help you. We are specifying this because we will create a folder public, and here all CSS JavaScript file will be goes here, and we are specifying this path like this way, so that no need to write the full path. We'll show in the layout file how we call the CSS and JavaScript file so easily because of this middleware. We'll see, no problem. So here using app.engine EJS as an engine, we'll use this EJS in our view page. We'll see here we are setting the view engine EJS mate, EJS dash. Here app.use, need to specify body parser. We need to parse the body as JSON so that we can get the value as JSON object. App.use body parser, URL encoded. Again, we can use this application body parser as URL encoded extended true. This property we need to specify as true value. So this is the middleware function so far. App.use Morgan dev. This middleware need to be initialized at server.js file.